deadly neurological disease known as Creutzfeldt-Jakob Disease (CJD) is now well understood by researchers. The disease caused by misfolded prion protein has been clarified by recent research. This new understanding may result in focused medicine and better diagnostic techniques. CJD is difficult disorder to treat. Despite this development, which is emphasizes the need for ongoing research and education.
A rare and deadly neurological disease called Creutzfeldt-Jakob (CJD) is brought on by misfolded proteins called prions, a transmissible spongiform (TSE) that causes fast neurological degeneration and death within a year. CJD was first identified in 1920s. In order to better diagnose and treat affected people, stop transmission, and better understand prion biology, research is being done in several areas. Knowledge about other neurodegenerative illnesses such as Parkinson's and Alzheimer's can be advanced insight gained from CJD. It is essential to research CJD in order to create more comprehensive treatments insight gained from CJD. It is essential to research CJD in order to create more comprehensive treatment, diagnostic, and preventive approaches that will help a variety of patients. Misfolded prion proteins cause deadly neurodegenerative disorders known as prion diseases, such as Creutzfeldt-Jakob Disease (CJD). Advances in prion biology, diagnostic techniques, and preventive measures have been made possible by recent research. Although new treatments like immunotherapy and small molecule inhibitors appear promising, CJD is still incurable. Sustained interdisciplinary research is essential to improving prion disease understanding, diagnosis, and treatment. Keywords: prion disorders, neurodegeneration, prion protein diagnosis, prevention and treatment of Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease.
There are various types of CJD, the most prevalent of which is sporadic CJD. It usually affects 65 years old of people or older that has no known etiology. A dominant mutant gene causes familial CJD. It has 50% of risk for being passed on progeny. Memory loss, dementia, personality changes, anxiety, poor coordination, and extremely exhaustions are among the early signs that are needed to be treated right away.
Which rapidly deteriorates the brain and kills a person within a month or years. In the 90s, cases in the UK brought it to attention of general public. Brain damage brought on by CJD leads to a sharp loss in motor and cognitive function.
Diagnosis involve physical and neurological exam like test of blood and cerebrospinal fluid, or known as CSF, EEG, and spinal tap. While there is no cure or treatment to slow down the CJD's progression, prevention include avoiding meat from unregulated sources, particularly brain tissue and bone marrow. Continue research and improve preventive measures are essential to manage and reduce the risk of CJD.
there's no cure, several preventive measures can lower the risk of its onset and transmission. Hygienic measures. Strict sterilization of surgical tools, especially in neurosurgery, and screening of organ embryo donors for CJD risk factors. Agricultural and nutritional regulations regulating animal feed to prevent BSE, which is linked to variant CJD, and avoiding meat from unregulated sources and high-risk tissues. Genetic testing and counseling. For familial CJD caused by PRNP gene mutilations, genetic testing can help individuals understanding their risk. Public health awareness, educating the public, healthcare professionals, and patients about CJD risk and transmission can aid in early detection and control. Hence, surveillance and investigation. Continued research into prion disease is crucial for developing diagnostic tools and identifying new therapeutic targets. So, in conclusion, while there is no treatment for CJD, preventive measures like strict sterilization, dietary precautions, and genetic counseling, public education, and ongoing research can significantly reduce its impact on public health. Thank you.